Hello and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to all of my old subscribers and hello to all of my new subscribers. So today I am going to make me some chicken wings. I'm going to actually use the air fryer and make me some garlic Parmesan chicken wings. But first, before I put them in there, I'm just going to do a seasoning. This is nothing sponsored, but if you want to just know what I am seasoning the chicken wings with, this is a chicken seasoning. It just have pretty much everything all in one. And also I'm just going to use some smoked paprika. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the seasoning. And this seasoning is pretty good. So you don't have to use a whole bunch of seasoning. It's a all-in-one. And that's all I'm gonna put as far as the smoke. And then I am going to add a little bit of oil. All right, so then I'm gonna take my gloves and I'm gonna mix it up and see if I need to add any more seasoning. I mean, if you want to add more seasoning, you can. I do not like my chicken over seasoned. So I'll just probably add just a little bit more. And these chicken wings I got was pretty decent size. I don't know about y'all. Sometimes you pick up chicken wings and they are so big. You know, I pretty much pass by them, but you know, look at that size. It's pretty decent. I do not like big chicken wings. Like I saw this one in the pack and I was like, okay, wait a minute. But the rest of them is pretty good, so. All right, so I am going to place this in my air fryer and then I will be back so we can coat it with the garlic Parmesan and we'll see how it turned out. All right, you guys, I'll be back. All right, everybody, so we are back. I had to divide the wings up. So these are my wings. My other family, the other half, they wanted their wings barbecued, so I tossed theirs in barbecue. So we are going to start and make the garlic Parmesan. So first up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start off with some butter. And let me make sure I got the pot in the camera. Okay, so I'm just starting off with a little bit of butter. You can use salted or unsalted, whichever you prefer. So I'm going to place that down. And I'm going to allow that to melt. Next, I'm going to go in with my garlic. And I have some fresh garlic. It's fine if you don't have fresh garlic. I just have some fresh garlic, so that's what I'm going to use. And depending on how much you like garlic, you can use how much you like. Now, if you are an old subscriber, you know when I get my bell peppers and my parsley, I freeze my veggies so that way I have it available and I don't have to chop it up when it's time for me to cook. So I'm adding, that's parsley. So right now I have butter, garlic, and parsley. And I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. And the last thing I'm gonna add in is, I have some chicken juice when I was using the air fryer that I'm gonna also put in there when I toss it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a stir. And while that's melting, just to give you guys an idea. I love using the air fryer, so you can see how the wings turned out. They look absolutely great. So it's a good way to use the air fryer, so that way you don't have to worry about grease. What I am going to do is add that chicken juice. All right, so that's about perfect. All right, so now I'm gonna turn this off. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken. And I'm gonna also add the Parmesan. And this is just regular Parmesan, y'all. Nothing special. And I'm gonna toss. Ooh, that look good. Toss them up. I'm gonna put a little bit more cheese. And add the absolute rest. And that's just from the chicken juice I had. So I can keep tossing. All right, y'all. So they are done. Let me get a fork so you can see. All right, I'm just gonna bring it up to the camera so you can see. All right, y'all. Well, again, thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And again, thank you to all my old day one subscribers, and hello and welcome to the family to all my new subscribers. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, you have a blessed one.